Hey guys, Chris here with ProtectingCoin.com and have something very exciting today. I have the new Trezor Model T. Just got in several of these for pre-order and wanted to do an unboxing. So here's the new box design, much larger than the previous, the Model 1. You can see it has Trezor there on the front. On the other side we've got Trezor Model T. Cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Manage all of your cryptocurrencies and digital identities with ease of touch. Interact securely by verifying and confirming all operations on the device screen. Experience security at no cost to your convenience. And then they do have a few of the features listed below and some of the coins supported. Yeah, there you go. All right. So there's the box itself. Did get a message from Slush. He's the CEO of Satoshi Labs that makes the Trezor. On behalf of Satoshi Labs, I would like to sincerely thank you for your patient support and faith in the Trezor Model T. We poured every single last bit of our knowledge, expertise, and effort to create the next generation of secure hardware wallets. Without further ado, I am honored to present you with the result of our work, the safe place for your coins. I'm sure that you will enjoy your new Trezor Model T, and with gratitude. A little personal message from Slush there. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing opened. So first off, there is a light plastic wrap on it. It's pretty thin. So yeah, I could easily see that coming loose. Not much to it. Okay, so there's the wrap, and this just slides out there. Oh, there we got it. The safe place for your coins, right there. Now this one does have a touch screen, so looks like no buttons. The model, here's a Model 1. You can see it's got the two front buttons, different size screen. So here's a little bit of a comparison. Just right off the bat, you can see a little bit of a comparison. Now this one does have a ProtectingCoin silicone cover on it on the Trezor 1. So let's go ahead and get this open. And flap here in the front, it is magnetic. There we go, opens up. Now you'll notice there is no security seal itself on the box, so that is a little different from a Trezor 1 that has two security seals on it. There has been a little bit of a movement to move away from those security seals just because there is other ways to confirm that your device is not tampered with, such as the firmware itself. Reviewing what firmware is on it, and actually when you install it, it pulls the latest firmware. Setting up your recovery seed on the device, if you did get one that came with a recovery seed or something like that, obviously that would be a problem. But if you're buying from an authorized reseller or direct from Satoshi Labs, you really shouldn't have any issues there. So what they did do on this, they did a big upgrade in their packaging, I will say that for sure. This actually sits in there magnetically as well, it looks like. So it's nice packaging. So, but yeah, so what they did do is they moved the seal on this to the USB port so that it can't be accessed without removing this hologram seal. Now Ledger has completely gone away from having the security seals, and they instead list ways that you can confirm your device is not tampered with or anything along those lines. But yeah, so moved it to the bottom. I really do like the packaging. Very, very nice packaging. On the steps here, getting started, connect Trezor to your computer or smartphone. Open trezor.io/start in your web browser. Follow instructions and sleep tight. So very similar instructions to the setup for the Trezor 1. Let's go ahead and see what else we have in here. It says USB cable, user manual, and recovery seed card are included. And when you pull that out, let me go ahead and adjust the camera down so you can see. So this box contains the USB cable, the user manual, and the recovery seed card. And there is a fourth step here. It says bonus, place the dock anywhere for your convenience. So we pull that. Okay, so there's the magnetic dock. That's a nice touch. And it has a sticky on the back, so you could mount this to something on your desk or wherever you want to mount that. So definitely a nice additional little extra that they provided with that dock. So again, here's the device itself, and here's compared to a Model 1. So you can definitely see the Model T is larger to fit that larger screen. Width-wise, very similar, not much difference there. It looks like, yeah, very similar. Here's a view from the back. Looks like they did away with having any kind of a lanyard or keychain cutout. I'm not seeing anything on that. I do have a slot here on the side for a micro or an SD card there, and all right, set that down. See what's in the box here. Typical Trezor stickers that you normally get. Additional stickers. USB standard USB cable. Now, this is a USB-C cable. Cable itself looks like it's about 12 inches long. A few more stickers, and then your recovery seed. There we go. So on the Model T, they have gone to a 12-word seed versus the Model 1 had a 24-word seed. So this is moved to a 12-word. And this is going to be using those same bit 39, there's 2,000 and some unique words, and depending on the word order, it actually defines your private key, so it's a mnemonic for recovery. So if this Model T is ever lost, stolen, destroyed, anything ever happens to that, you would be able to use your recovery seed and restore access to all of your coins. So we've got one card there, 2 cards, so you can make a second copy. It is on a like a card stock, so not quite just normal paper. It's a little bit thicker than that, but still always recommend moving to something like a crypto steel. ProtectingCoin, we actually have a metal device that we'll be coming out with very soon to work as a recovery seed backup as well, probably launching around April. But something like a crypto steel is always that next step of securing that, to where if you ever had a water damage, fire damage, any kind of issue, losing this piece of paper, having it on a metal plate would protect it, be fireproof, waterproof, rustproof. So there's also a quick getting started guide. So it has recommended setup, package contents, warranty information, some information about setting up a pin. That's there. Okay. So that's all of the box contents. See if we can peel off the security sticker. Now, looking at the security sticker, it is labeled with the Trezor logo and the name itself. So anytime you open, just make sure that security sticker does have the name on it. And the sticker it's really on there. Got most of it off. Actually going to have to spend a little time to get all of it off, but I did get enough off to where I've exposed the USB port there. Again, that is a USB-C port, so if you currently have a Model 1, your normal micro USB cable will not work. So you'll have to use this cable, and if you have multiple cables, you may need to get a couple extras. And now if you do want to do a connection to your phone, you would need to also update your cable so that you're using at least a micro USB cable for this side, and then it could either, a USB-C cable on this side, and then you could go to a micro USB cable to your phone, or if you have a newer phone that is already using USB-C, you would just have to have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so that about does it for the unboxing of the Trezor Model T. If you're interested in the Model T or any other hardware wallets or cryptocurrency accessories, check us out on ProtectingCoin.com. All right, thanks a lot, everybody.